This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 122RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 4, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, water heater, TV antenna, air conditioning, smoke detector, oven, microwave, awning, slide-out, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-living area, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 122RK is 7,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.